You said it was more of a shh.
Yeah, it's to me it's like the tuning of something's not in tune right.
Right, that's static type
It's
sound.
a static kind of sound.
But it's not quite so high, it's more just that kind
it's
of...
not as high as...
Yeah.
Like
And Liz?
No.
It's like a little snake, it's just crept in there with a constant hissing noise. Sometimes the volume can go from being really quite low to being right up the scale, depending on.
High pitched, and then get the motion, which is like shh, 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 shh. And then the sound, the kind of can sound like you're stepping in like fresh snow, that kind of.
So that kind of, is it kind of polystyrene stuff, or is it a softer?
Yes, that's not, yes.
Those polystyrene bubble type things when you...
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And mainly in your left ear again?
Yeah, all of my left.
So 4 lefties so far, can I get you framed all here? All right.